This is CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. Many times in life, occurrences will happen that have nothing to do with anything that you've done. When your security is possibly threatened, that is always one of those times. Now, the reason that I'm speaking on this is because since the very first video that we've ever made on this channel, I have talked about protecting what you have against hackers, against everyone. Okay. And the only way to do so is to have your own crypto cold storage wallet. I've stressed this since the very first day, and I will continue to do so as long as there is a CryptoKernels channel. But the thing about it is, you are supposed to be the one and only individual to have access to your cold storage wallet, not anyone else, only you, right? Do you understand that? That's the whole purpose of having one. Otherwise, there is no point. Now, before we get into any of this, I want to make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and also click the bell notification. That's to ensure that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming valuable episodes. Now, this video is brought to you by our partners at Bidfire. With Bidfire, you gain access to well over 400 altcoins, many of which are not available on Coinbase or Crypto.com in the United States or Canada, especially Canada or in the US. Okay, now I'm going to show you a few of them here. And we are in the US, by the way. Look, now we're looking at proof of work tokens, CFX. Our last video was on CFX. In the last 24 hours since then, $35 million in trading has occurred with CFX tokens on Bidfire, just here on Bidfire, okay? On a Saturday to Sunday. And then right here we can see Dash. That's not on Coinbase or Crypto.com. Neither is DCR. I know this. ETC is not on either one as well, nor is CAS or IOTA. I've done research. I've owned several. Raven Coin, I know it's not. Neither is SC. And then down here, what else we have? XMR, that's Moreno. Moreno is definitely not on Coinbase. It's been labeled as an untraceable coin, and it's also not on Crypto.com. You're welcome if you want to get some Moreno tokens. Now you know where to get them, here on Bidfire. In addition to this, by using our official link, you're going to get $2,888 in rewards. It's a lot of money just for completing simple tasks and in general. All right. Now, as you can see down here, adding a Google Authenticator to your account to protect your money, adding an anti-phishing code, joining the community rewards. Now we're going to look at some advanced tasks. When you make significant deposits, $20,000 or more in USDT, you're going to get $200 just for doing that. Nobody else is giving you these type of rewards like Bidfire. No one. I know, because I have at least 5 different wallets. I'm not going to give them any free advertising, but this is the one that I use primarily now. Okay, and also you have derivatives trading, which has just been banned in Canada. Thank you. Right here, you can see you can actually leverage up to 150 times your collateral. So if you have, say for instance, $1,000 in, say, Ethereum, you can leverage and get $150,000 in Ethereum, okay, which is power, absolute power. You cannot do this at a bank. You cannot do this anywhere else but here with us, okay? Also, I'm going to show you, and I apologize for that, copy trading. You can copy the trades of successful crypto investors in real time. There are well over 500 different investors currently on the platform. We're looking at Remus here and his stats over the last 30 days. And you can see his favorite coins as well. Look at this. All right. Now, there are many different investors. Over 100,000 users have copied trades here on Bidfire, and they're updated every 2 hours, literally. Now, this article I'm going to share with you is from Cointelegraph. It was published on the 16th by Judith Van Mannerquist, and it says crypto community reacts to Ledger Wallet's secret recovery phrase service. Many members of the crypto community believe Ledger's latest seed phrase recovery feature is a bad idea. Let's go into this, all right? 25,000 people have seen this, as a matter of fact. All right, now let's go in. Several crypto community members, including Ledger wallet owners, have taken to social media to express their discontent following the release of Ledger's latest feature. The newly introduced retrieval solution for its hardware crypto wallets, known as Ledger Recover, aims to offer a safeguard in case users misplace their seed phrase. Okay, and then right down here you can see, and down here we can see Ledger's official tweet about the launch. Okay, and I'm going to leave a link to this in the description so you can go ahead and watch it yourself. I'm not going to watch it again here. Ledger Recover is a subscription service that allows users to utilize an additional layer of protection for their private keys. This service employs a technique where the user's seed phrase is divided into 3 encrypted fragments, each sent to different external entities. Once these fragments are combined and decrypted, they can be used to reconstruct the original seed phrase. What? Why would you want this? The wallet provider shared that Ledger Recover is an optional subscription. The wallet provider shared that Ledger Recover is an optional subscription for users who want to back up their secret recovery phrase. You don't have to use it and can continue managing your recovery phrase yourself if that's why you bought a Ledger, the company explained. Nevertheless, the concept has enraged many in the crypto community, including security specialists. Mudit Gupta, the chief information security officer at Polygon Labs, shared it's a horrendous idea. Don't enable this feature. Gupta explained further in his Twitter thread that the problem here is that the encrypted keys parts are sent to 3 corporations and they can recover your keys. I would happen to agree with Mr. Gupta with this. Do you know how many high-profile SIM-jacking cases happen every day? He's right. The problem here is not splitting the key in 3 parts. That's actually good. I may or may not be doing that personally as well. The problem here is that the encrypted keys parts are sent to 3 corporations and they can reconstruct your keys. Binance founder and CEO Changpeng Zhao chimed in on the thread saying, so the C can leave the device now. Sounds like a different direction than your keys never leave the device. Yes, indeed. Wow. No. Who wants this? You want some... That just defeats the whole purpose of having your own crypto cold storage wallet. You might as well just leave it on whatever exchange you bought it on and just hope for the best instead of even wasting the money. That's stupid. Okay, now look. And there's other people just leaving their viewpoints or whatever. All right. And then right here, DC investor also referenced the previous data task saying, remember, several years ago that leaked names and addresses were leaked customers via data branch. I do remember that in 2020 they were hacked. Okay, but damn near everybody's been hacked up to this point. So that's not a indictment on them. But this feature right here, I'm not for. Okay. You're supposed to have your seed phrase saved, written down and saved, and put up somewhere safe. If you can't do that, then you don't need to be in this. I mean, really. That's the cold, hard truth. This is not cut out for everybody. Everybody's not cut out for this. Everybody should not be watching this channel. Most people should not be, as a matter of fact. Okay, this is only meant for the chosen few. In April, Ledger launched the Ledger Nano S Plus, a specialist wallet tailored to NFTs. The Ledger S Plus aims to enhance user safety and deliver an improved experience for customers who routinely trade NFTs. All right. So this came after that. Now, Ledger was established in 2014. I talk about Ledger up to this point in every single video. They have sold an estimated 4.5 million wallets, okay? And I still believe that they're a great product. I just do not support this upgrade at all, and I will advise all of you who own ledgers like me and those close to me to not do so, okay? Just don't do it. Just do not do it. Record your seed phrase, write it down, save it somewhere. You can also get a holder for your seed phrase where you can bury it and put it away where no one can find it, and also burn it into your brain. If this video has been of value to you, do the right thing. Send a super thanks. Also, make a contribution in any form of crypto that's built on ERC20 to our address in the description. It all helps us to provide even more infinitely valuable content to each and every one of you. Look at what you've received in this video. Make sure that you use our link to save 10% on each and every one of your transactions on Bidfire by using our link. And also, if you're in the United States or Canada, you're going to get a $100 welcome bonus on top of the $2,800 in rewards you'll receive when you make your first deposit of just $100. And also, if you're a content creator yourself and you have at least 50 subscribers, you can start earning crypto on our new partner, JoyStream. It's the new YouTube for crypto content creators. All right, we just did a video on it a few days ago. You can go look at it. And also pick up your own CryptoKernels merch. Support the channel. Everything we do is of value. Let it be known and contribute back to it. It's the right thing to do. It's the only thing to do. All right, we've got a lot more coming. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.